In our digital world, screens are everywhere. But how does this affect our children? Excessive screen time can harm their health and development. It's time for a change. First, set clear limits. Make rules on when and how long screens can be used. Lead by example. Limit your own screen time to encourage your kids. Create screen-free zones at home to encourage other activities. Get outside. Outdoor play is essential for health and well-being. Offer a variety of activities that promote creativity and imagination. Make mealtimes a chance for family bonding. No screens allowed. Together, we can help our children lead healthier, more balanced lives. It's time to unplug.